It's a big achievement for the school when your students pass and that too gets marks or percentage out of the way. How do you say this, especially when you talk about your student and do 96?
In the first place, all credit to our students and the teachers. They have been doing well consistently right through the year. And I would say it is the effort of the students, and all the encouragement which they receive from their parents together with the teachers that has enabled them to get this good result for our school.
Overall, if you consider about the 10th standard students and all, how it has been for the school as far as the passing percentage?
Our passing percentage has been good this year. Though we do have students who need improvement, but overall our students have done well. There are a number of distinctions. I do not know the exact number at the moment, but they have done well.
When you get a 100% results and all, how much it helps the school to go further and giving a boost to their student?
It is a motivating factor for the students. When when the school does well or get a good percentage, the other students also would like to do the same. So it motivates them to do better, especially the other batches that will be coming up to the 10th standard during the coming years.
We want you also with the parents.
Ready? Okay, one more. Okay, Andrew, how it has been in the past few days since the results were out of SSA?
It's been a lot of attention, but I'm happy that all my efforts have been rewarded.
How was the subjects and how was the exam preparation that you had made before this?
I would not study for long hours at a stretch, but break up my studies into small parts and organize study.
Now, since you have got this percentage, what are your plans, future goal plans?
Arts at Bosco Higher Secondary, and following that law or teaching.
Oh. Okay. So, your good name?
I'm Dr. Nolan.
Doctor, how do you see this? The percentage which your son has achieved?
Yeah, we expected him to do well, but this is all a bonus. He has worked regularly, more than hard work and regular work. And we feel blessed and we feel happy both for Andrew and for Don Bosco. So happy to be in my school.
Do you feel that how do you dedicate this? Means is it your son's time and again giving too many hours for the exam studies and all?
No, he is a very organized fellow. In fact, we didn't feel he worked so hard because he worked very quietly. We didn't expect this. And it's all a blessing.
Thank you.